Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram group chat. To know how to fix Instagram group chat, you should just go to settings as you see like this. When you will find this page, you will go to apps. After that, in this page here in this list, you will go down to the application of Instagram. Then in this page, you will click for stop. After that, you will click storage and then here in this page you will click clear cache. Then you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi here so that you can know how to fix Instagram group chat. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye.